Everyone, take a look at this phantom wallet. This balance did not come from trading or from luck. It purely came from launching meme coins. Now, in today's video, bro, I will be showing you guys exactly how to dev meme coins and print generational wealth. I'll show you exactly how right now. Now, there's a reason why I stopped trading and I started launching. Because trading meme coins is a losing game, and that's a fact, okay? You're almost always going to be exit liquidity when you buy inside a meme coin. You have to realize that these devs are making so much money. They are making money from all the creator fees, right? And they are making money from you, the trader, bro. And that is why you have to become a dev, bro. By becoming a dev, you can create coins for completely free, watch the chart fucking pump, and then just dump on them right after. That's a fact, bro. And that's exactly why I am making this video, okay? Launching flips the odds in your favor, and you control everything. Launching has no downside, so keep watching. And obviously, bro, this video is for educational purposes only. Nothing here will be financial advice. Cap! Now right here, okay, I have a quick plan to show you guys the difference between trading and deving. Once again, trading meme coins, right, you risk of losing all your money at any given moment. If the volume is low, it's harder to find runners, so it's harder to make money, and you do not know the true intentions of the dev, right? And there's just way more risk to trading meme coins, right? But deving meme coins is completely different. There's no initial risk, you control the chart, and you do not need a big crypto portfolio. And also, bro, the most important thing is that the more coins you launch, the more chances you have of making money. And that's exactly why I dev meme coins, because bro, you can never lose. And that's a fact, bro, okay? Now, here I have a quick example of my two dev wallets. I made 30 grand on this wallet and 24 grand from this wallet. I believe this was around 200 coins launched, and this one was around 30 coins launched or some shit, all from creator fees. Now, here's how to make a meme coin, okay? Most people go on Pump.Fun, but they have an issue finding narratives. That's why you have to be using createcoins.io to launch your meme coins. First of all your coins that you launch right here will go straight to fucking Raydium, which will be viewed by tens and thousands of people right here, bro. It will be immediately migrated. That's why people are gatekeeping this website. Now how you make a coin, right? Now you have two different ways. The first way is to create a coin from scratch, okay? Now you have to find a name, a symbol, and an image, right? Go on X, right? Go on Reddit, go on Discord, go on TikTok, and look for a narrative for that meme coin. It could be literally anything. I like to go for simple tweets, right? It could be literally anything, like I said, literally anything, okay? Just find a narrative and make a coin from that, okay? Once you have that narrative and you have that idea, come back to createcoins.io, invent a name, add a quick symbol, then add a quick image, and just like that, your meme coin will be up and running in fucking seconds. Right now, the second way to make a meme coin is actually way more profitable. Let me explain why. And that's the copy trending coins tab, because all of these coins right here, okay, are all going viral, and they all have traffic and attention right now on Pump.Fun, which means if you copy a coin here, right, you will get instant buyers and higher profits from the start, all because you're copying coins that are already going viral, bro. And that's exactly how I built my entire portfolio from $0 to over millions of dollars, all from copying coins, okay? Alright, let's keep things moving and let's actually make some money, bro. Let's copy a coin. First of all, make sure you connect your wallet, click on refresh, and look for a coin to copy. I'm gonna go through this fast, by the way. I'm gonna be copying the memes coin, right? It has it as by 1 second ago, and an X. Click on create coin. Then ignore the warning, click on proceed, confirm or understand, confirm, and then the coin will be copied shortly. Just fucking wait, right? And then boom, now it's time to create the liquidity pool. Now this page is really straightforward and really fucking easy, okay? We're adding liquidity here. Now this step is what makes your coin tradable on Raydium so people can buy and sell your coin, right? Now token A, click on 90%, that will drop the liquidity right under for the amount token B. This is basically your first buy into your own coin. You are not losing any money here. It's just locked in for the first buy. The minimum is 0.3 Sol, and once you remove the liquidity later, you will get your money back, so it's not a big deal, right? It's just, you need 0.3 Solana at least, okay, for the first buy, for the liquidity. Then click on create pool, and then just wait, click on confirm. When that is done, bro, click on refresh, then scroll down, and boom, the memes coin is on live. Your profits are going to show up right here. And obviously, bro, if you click on the refresh button, click on view on photon to see the chart right after, right? And now the coin is live, the chart has to load in, and now the coin is live, okay, and all you have to do from now on is just wait for the coin to pump, and then you can just cash out right after. Now we are at a 1k market cap, and more people are going to start seeing the coin, and your job is to just make some money by dumping it, right, when it goes up, right? So just wait, and wait for buyers, bro, and that's all you have to do from now on, okay? More people are going to start buying in, and it is going to go fucking up, and sometimes it can go actually viral, and that is how you make generational wealth. Anyways, bro, I'm gonna be right back. Alright guys, I am back. I think we raked in a lot of profits from the creator fees and from our supply. Now it's time to make some money. Come back to createcoins.io real quick, and obviously, bro, click on the refresh button. And as you guys can see, we are up $1.6 thousand. Click on the minus button, do 100%, remove the money, then just wait. Oh my god. And as you guys can see, bro, I will receive 13 Solana. Click on confirm. And boom, bro, that's exactly how you do it, bro. Createcoins.io will be linked down below. Go try it for yourself. And please, bro, join my Discord down below. You have to if you want to connect with others or with me. Let's go.